Hi everyone, it is cold outside, it's dark, and you may feel like you're stuck inside. Well, baths are a great way to de-stress and enjoy the winter season and beat that winter fatigue. Baths have been around in medicine for thousands of years. In fact, they were a part of the Roman healing traditions, even traditions dating back further than that. Somewhere along the way we got away from it, but there is a return now to taking a bath and enjoying it not just as stress relief, but even as a way to maybe heal some condition that you might have. I want to share with you today one of my favorite baths, and what I usually do to make this convenient is we do keep a little bath basket in our bathroom with different types of products in it, depending on our mood, depending on what we're dealing with, so that we can jump in and take a bath whenever we might have time. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite baths to beat fatigue, and it's really easy. You start filling your tub with water, and the first ingredient is probably the most important. It's an Epsom salt. You may have heard me talk about Epsom salts before, but they're a compound of magnesium salt. Magnesium, in the practice we talk about a lot, but magnesium we know will help with relaxing the nervous system, it helps with sleep, it helps those sore and achy muscles. Lots of great benefits to magnesium, and what a good way to get it in other than an Epsom salt where you're not having to take a supplement, it's just absorbing topically. So here I have pre-measured about 2 cups of Epsom salts. You can pour it directly into your bath water, and as the water's filling up, it'll dissolve and kind of mix in here. After the Epsom salts, then I go to the essential oils, and there's so many great essential oils. They each have a different purpose, but today we're going to talk about lavender oil. Lavender is a nervine, remember? It really helps the nervous system, it helps calm us down, it helps our anxiety, it helps with sleep. This works great on young children as well if you have kids at home that you can't get to calm down. And really it just takes not a lot. They're so strong and so potent that it's literally about 6 to 8 drops that you can drop directly into the bath water and it'll mix in. We already have the Epsom salts in there, and kind of circulate through the water that's already running. After the lavender, my next favorite is lemongrass oil, and this is probably honestly one of my favorite scents as well. Lemongrass oil really improves our circulation. It can boost your mood, especially in the winter maybe when you're starting to feel a little bit blue. So again, this maybe just about 6 to 8 drops in there, or this has a cap on it, a cap full. Allow it to mix in, and then the water fills up and you can soak at your leisure. Most baths maybe 15 to 20 minutes at the most, and usually about 3 times a week. After you come out of the bath, remember to moisturize, because in the winter we will dehydrate our skin both from the heat running, but also, bath water will dehydrate you if you're staying in there too long. So enjoy this bath, beat your winter fatigue, and get outside once the weather's better.